Hey y'all. So I am going to use a bunch of color shifts, and I'm going to try to replicate this painting here that I have in my living room. I love it because it has all different color shifts in it. And every time, you look at it in different light, it changes. But it's beautiful. So I'm going to do that on a 12 by 16 linen canvas because of, the Hobby Lobby sale and all that. Well, I'm going to use a couple different color shifts this time. So this time I'm going to use orange, which shifts to blue superior. I'm going to use yellow, which shifts to orange. I am going to use blue violet, which shifts to gold. And then I have a Deco Art metallic berry that I'm using. Those are my metallics. I'm also going to put some Soho Gold in there. And we'll see what else I put in there. I'm looking at my table, which is currently filled with paint. For my background, I'm going in with the Lucas Curl Beige because I'm out of white. And also because, like I said, you can use any background you want. I don't seem to be using this for a regular mixing. So I'm going to just pop the bubbles and cover the canvas. And painting we shall go. I think I'm going to use like a couple different flip cups since this is a longer canvas, 16 inches. Where's that spatula I have? Here it is. Let me just wipe off my spatula. I'll be right back. Hey y'all, so I got my spatula and I am just covering up my corners and my ends and my sides, just making sure the beige color has everything covered, which it should. Very excited to go in here with some of those flash colors and see what we get. I haven't done multiple flip cups in a while, so that'll be interesting. I have a weekend ahead of me of making paints, mixing paints. I wish I could find, I do have one whisk, but I wish I could just can we just hire somebody to mix our paints for us? That'd be great. I was in Hobby Lobby taking advantage, of the canvas sale going on, and I saw that they have pre-mixed paints now for paint pouring. I can't say that I'm interested in that. For as much as I paint, it's economically not smart to do that. But it is what it is. So let's get some cups out here. Let's do 3 flip cups. Might not put the same colors in each, but I am going to spray each of them. So with my WD-40 silicone spray, so the paint releases. I'm sure you've all learned this trick from Christina Welch. Okay, y'all, so it's just been about 3 minutes, maybe 5, that I let this sit here. But I wanted to take it down and show you from my angle here what we have. We'll start at the bottom right. I love those cells coming up there. And I love these colors flowing together. And I love these cells here that have the orange coming up in them. That's going to be pretty. Up here we got our big cells, which I like the purple coming up in between the yellow. And vice versa on the other corner here. Let me go back down here. This is the other side. I don't know. I think if I had to pick my favorite cells right now, it will be between these up here. Right? Those purple ones are like perfectly shaped. Or these here in the middle. I love the shapes of those bigger ones. Love it. But yeah, so that was a fun pour. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you join me on my next video. If you're not a subscriber already, please hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and go ahead and click the bell so you can be notified when I upload another video. Love this. Just love it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one.